Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we are looking at the analysis on the currency pair Euro JPY. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technicals, which will be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now, we can see that the shift has been attributed for the European currency to a rise in European government EGB peripheral yields relative to the German bond yields. And it has been noted that the Euro JPY currency pair appears overvalued, prompting the bank to recommend uh, a sell trade. The model estimated that the short-term fair value of Euro JPY has seemingly decreased from a record high of 163.9110 to 162.1633. And along with European equities underperforming against their Japanese counterparts and a decline in the Eurozone, Japan terms of trade ratio. According to a few people who have understood that the current valuation of the Euro JPY pair exceeds the threshold of being more than 2 standard deviation over its estimated fair value. As a result, the bank has initiated a sell trade for the currency pair. They have set up a sort of stop loss level at minus 2.74% and a take profit target at recalculated 162 1.1633. So we're estimating that with this move, which reflects a response to recent market developments, which has influenced the valuation of Euro JPY currency. It should take the bank analysis suggestion of going back down to the 162 axis, which from this point, checking our 4 hours time frame, it's about a wholesome 400 plus pips, of which we are aggregating a couple of cool pullbacks to estimate this very important sell zone. Now, that's our technical analysis on the currency pair Euro JPY. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we're having a look at Caterpillar, CAT. In recent series of transactions, Bob Delaney, the group president of Caterpillar Incorporation, has sold a significant amount of company stock. And according to some latest filings with Securities and Exchange Commission, the executive has disposed of 21,847 shares at an average price of $356.90, totaling over $7.7 million. Now, the transaction, which has taken place on May 13th, has also included the Langes acquiring shares through the exercise of options, while the purchase prices for these shares has ranged from 74.77 to a wholesome 95.66, with a total value of approximately $2.9 million. Additionally, we are feeling that DeLange has paid a total of nearly $3 million to cover option exercises, with individual transaction prices between 356.46 and 357.30. Following these transactions, DeLange's direct ownership in Caterpillar stock has adjusted to 71,115 shares, while the sales were executed in multiple trades with prices ranging from 356 to 357, with the reported price reflecting the weighted average sales price. This has had some significant effect on the Caterpillar stock, while we are looking for much more upside momentum following the release of this news. Now, a higher time frame, 4 hours time frame, it's currently on a very important resistance zone, hopefully breaks out of this zone, and then head to a new and important zone of the 360 zones to the 365s, which from this point, checking our daily time frame, it's going to be about 97 to 80 pips, of course, 97 to 113 pips, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market Caterpillar. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.